Hey, EIR Grant friends. It's Curtis here. Just going to do a quick little introduction on how to use Asana for our project management. So you should have gotten a link to join this project and this team. And so then once you're able to get logged in, you should see some sort of version of a page just like this. Over here on the left, you should be able to see your teams as well as projects. Now, I have a lot of projects, but you all will just, for now, have the EIR Grant Arts and Learning Days. When you find it, you might want to add it to the starred by clicking on it and going to add to favorites. That way it'll show up at the top. But again, you only have probably one project at this point, so no worries there. So mostly what we'll be doing is working within the project here. So if you click on our EIR Grant, you can also click over here on the side. I have mine in list view. I think that's easiest for me, but you can also do a board view, timeline view, etc. Let me go back to my list. So essentially, it's just a running list that we can assign those that need to be completed. We can assign due dates. We can put in details, attach files and folders, etc. So pretty much within here, you'll see there are certain sections that I've created already. You can create new sections later on by just going to add section, and you can do that. You can also, hide sections if you don't want to see everything all the time. But within sections, we'll see, for instance, created this section for our meeting last week. So this section is kind of for Prince George's related stuff. And so you can add tasks within here. So anybody is able to add tasks. You can just go within the section. You can either press the plus here. You can also go at the bottom of each section and just start typing. New task. Once you do that, just click away. You can, once you click on it, it'll bring up this extra window here. You can minimize it that way. So if you know for sure, okay, I want to assign this to Jessica, I can start typing her name. And if I want her to do that task by tomorrow, I can assign a due date and time. I'm gonna, if I need to delete it or whatever, you can always just click on the X's and take people off. Generally, we try not to delete tasks. If obviously you created something that you definitely don't need, you can go into it and you can come over here to delete task. But you can also just change it. It's really more about completing the tasks. So let's just say Jessica had completed this. We can hit the check mark. You'll see it kind of goes there, and then it goes kind of gray. Now, I have my view showing all of the tasks completed and incomplete. If you want to only see, say, incomplete tasks, you can do it that way. Or you can go back to all tasks. So, I want to just show a couple of other things. Within each task, you can obviously write a description. We can have a message thread about that task, and it's really great to tag people just by using the @ and then can you look at this, whatever. Obviously, anybody in the project can go read those, but if you tag them, that person knows that they need to do something. You can attach files, Google files, or upload files. And then within tasks, you can also have subtasks. So for completing MOU, we actually have Lee to send Curtis the template, and then Curtis, or complete forms, etc., etc. So for this, I'll make it myself, and I can't assign Lee yet because I haven't created his account, but I will do that here in a second. I think only other things really to know are the home and the inbox are and my tasks are actually pretty useful. On the home screen, you will see that you have your tasks that are due soon. So I have to add you all to Asana today. So once I complete that, I'm going to come here and check the box, so I don't even have to go into the project. Same with my tasks. You can see all the tasks that you're currently assigned to. And inbox is great because of the communication flow. So if I tagged Jessica, or Jessica tagged me in a conversation, it would show up here saying, hey, you just got tagged in this conversation. You should answer it. So anyway, that is Asana in a nutshell. Hopefully that's helpful. And looking forward to working with you in Asana.